Hi, I'm offering a writing workshop I think you're really going to enjoy.
Give me a thumbs up when you're there.
I'm Alexi. I'm an award-winning writer and documentary filmmaker. And actually, everything I've learned about writing and storytelling is 100% applicable to the work I also do, writing proposals and reports, cover letters, press releases. And these are skills anyone can learn.
I'm not articulating rules, I'm articulating tools. So that when you are doing your own writing, it's like you've got a dial that you can actually just turn up or down as needed.
As a leader, you need to get others to take action, either on the basis of what you write or what you say. Whether it's your proposals and reports, or it's that all-important vision statement or project charter, you need clarity and alignment. Writing is a core leadership skill, but a lot of leaders do struggle with writing.
Issues are inherent. It's just a junk sentence.
The great news is that there's some really simple techniques that you can use to punch up your writing in a big way, to make your writing more clear and direct, to take what's in your brain and put it in someone else's brain.
Forgive me for just, stepping all over your writing, but,
We're going to tear it down to the basics, to transform your writing, to make your writing more authoritative, more confident.
What your writing means is what it does. It is a slogan unless you are willing to put your life on the line for it.
The years and years of seasoning of ourselves as academic writers, that's really hard to get out of. So for me to break that block, this whole exercise was really good in bringing you back to the core of the subject. Hey, this is what you need to do, focus back.
Just following that pattern process, I could see it getting better and improving.
Thank you very much. This was fantastic.
I'm so glad that, throughout this only couple of hours, but I'm so amazed that I'd be able to pick up something that I can take away.
There's a lot of classes out there in communication, but what I want to do is teach you the professional techniques and methods that will let you transform your writing so that you can express your meaning, tell your story, and get action.
It really helps to understand, that there's a process and how do I get what's here out to there.
Power up your writing.